All right, today we're going to bring a smart lock, and this one's including 2 key fobs, actual Bluetooth remote, and also the application you need to install. The system has also a deadbolt. All right, so if you guys can see, we have it ready. It's locked and locked, and it comes with the bolt. We have this unlocked. We're going to open it. On the inside, on the outside, you're gonna have a keypad. You got the actual systems to open it, the key cards, your fingerprint, and a lock. All right, this is gonna be automatically, but this is gonna lock. Once it locks in, we're gonna unlock it. Go ahead, and we're gonna do remotely unlocking it. We have somebody with the phone remotely unlocking it. There it is, unlocking it. And then we could do the fingerprint, we could do the key code, we could do the actual keys too. Very simple, and the phone app and the key fobs too. Very simple, easy to install. It needs batteries. Make sure you got the right connections, the right areas to unlock it and lock it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.